Hi everyone, and welcome back to Lesson 12 Keyboard Input in Unit 3. Before we take a look at Bubble 9, I just want to make sure you take a look at Bubble 8, where we're talking about editing images in the animation area. Why? Because Bubble 9 is going to require you to flip some of your images so that way your sprite moves or looks like it's facing in the direction that it's moving. There's nothing worse than having a sprite that, yes, it moves, but it's like walking backwards, where we actually want it to flip around and actually be staring or facing the direction that it's moving. So there's several things that we can do in our animation where we can flip, rotate, and copy our image. So this area talks about it. There are obviously, it's inherent sometimes in the animation area what every little icon or button stands for, but in case if you missed it, there's the copy, what lets you duplicate an image, there's the flip, and there's the rotate. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to Bubble 9. Bubble 9 is going to be where we are going to take our bug image and we are going to duplicate it 4 times and actually have it move in the arrows or the way we want it to. So before I do that, again, if you haven't done, I think it was Bubble 7, you're definitely going to want to do this in Bubble 9. So I apologize, I had to start over, or at least my version history, and I am going to go ahead and do those right now. All right, so folks, now that I have everything in and I've caught up with you, again, we're going to run this. And before we move on any further, you should have this basic thing done from Bubble 7. We're moving things around. You're able to move your bug up, down, left, and right. So the difference is, though, with the Bubble 9, they want us to set an animation. So that way our animation is actually going to be changing as we move our bug. So right now our bug is facing right, and so it is actually looking in the right direction. So we're good. So, but when I click on the left button, I want it to actually flip and look left. So I need to go to my animations and I need to change a few things. So I'm going to click on the ladybug. And in fact, I might get rid of the bee for right now. Actually, no, I'm going to keep the bee. I'm going to click on the ladybug and I'm going to duplicate the ladybug. So I'm going to click on the duplicate. And instead of this, I'm going to flip the ladybug over. So I'm going to flip. And now the ladybug's looking left. And I'm actually going to say ladybug left. Okay. And then I might want another ladybug. So I'm going to make another duplicate of the ladybug. And I want to rotate the ladybug. So I'm going to rotate the ladybug. And now the ladybug is actually looking down. So I might say, rename the ladybug instead of left. I'm going to say ladybug down. And I'm going to duplicate this ladybug one more time, and I'm going to rotate that here. And instead of down, I'm going to rotate him or her to be facing up. And the ladybug is, I'm going to rename the ladybug here. Up. Okay, so I have my ladybug looking in all 4 directions. I have the original ladybug looking right, ladybug left, ladybug down, and ladybug up. So I'm going to go back to my code. And when I want the ladybug to be right, I want to make sure that I set the animation to be right. So right now it's right where we need to be, so maybe we don't need to actually do anything. So let's wait with right. Let's at least go to left. If I click on left, I want to set the ladybug to be looking left. So I need to reset the animation. So I'm going to go and hit sprite, set animation. I'm going to put it in the if statement that talks about when the key down is left. And my sprite again is still bug. We're keeping the same name, but now we're changing the animation. Instead of it being ladybug, I want it ladybug left. So when I run this, and I'm hitting the right key, ladybug's looking right. But now when I hit the left key, the ladybug moves to the left, but also is looking left. Now, you'll notice that when I hit the right key again, so if you go back and forth between the left and right key, if I hit the right key again, the ladybug stays in the same position or stays looking left, but moves right. So we do actually want to set the animation for when it is being, or when the right key is being pushed. So the same thing that we did with set animation ladybug left, we want to set animation. And we want the sprite to be named Bug, because that's what we named it, or called it. And we just want to set it back or make sure when it's the key down is right, it is actually facing right, which is that original ladybug animation. Okay, so I'm just doing this for left and right for right now. So I reset when it's right, looking right. When I hit left, it flips and looks left. If I hit right again, it should flip and look right. Perfect. So the left and right are looking good. Next, I'm going to move to up and down. So when I hit the up key, instead of just moving the ladybug up, I want the ladybug to actually be looking up. So I need to set the animation again. And again, the sprite is called Bug, so don't forget to do that. And I am going to set the ladybug to up. So I'm going to reset, run. Right is working, left is working. Now when I hit the up key, the ladybug should look up. Awesome. And then now I want to do the same for the down key. I'm gonna move this. I'm going to set the animation. Again, anytime I hit the down key, I'm setting the animation or the bug sprite, so the bug, to be the animation of ladybug down. So that all makes sense. Anytime I hit any one of these keys, I'm moving the sprite, as well as setting the animation based on the rotation or the direction the ladybug is moving. So in this case, this last one, when I hit the down key, my ladybug should move down and the ladybug should be looking down as well. So I'm going to reset, run, and yep, it's looking down. Looking up, looking right, looking left. So this is going to help a long way when we're making our game. And so making sure that our sprite is looking in the correct location or the correct direction as far as we're moving it around the screen is going to be extremely helpful. So for this assignment, please make sure you go to Share and get the shareable link. So make sure you click on this, hit Control, copy, and paste that in Schoology. Again, I just want to make sure I have the link and not just the screenshot. And that is Bubble 9, Lesson 12 of Unit 3.